Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the QR code feature with your visitor log in iCheck-In. You will need to ensure both the QR code and the visitor log features are enabled in your settings. And to do this, you can click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Settings. You're then going to click on the iCheck-In menu. This is where you can enable the visitor log and the QR code feature. Once you have enabled the QR code feature, under the Reports menu and under Other, you will find the QR code report. This allows services to print the QR code to allow guardians and visitors to scan the QR code using their own device. The visitor can also use the QR code that is displayed on the menu of the iCheck-In on your device at your service. Once the visitor scans the QR code, they will click on Open Visitor Log. They will then click on Sign In and enter their mandatory details. This includes their phone number, first name, last name, and reason for their visit. They may complete any other field if they wish. To sign out, the Guardian simply needs to scan the QR code again and click Sign Out. If you would like any further information on our QR code with the Visitor Log feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.